Hi friends, this video covers the topic of syllogism. Syllogism is nothing but a very easy topic and it is solved by Venn diagram and it is completely based on a logic and you can several route to reach the destination. For example, I am taking the all the elephants or big elephants or big. My handwriting is worst. Why? Because I am using the mouse. Here elephant is nothing but a subject. For wherever the problem is coming in syllogism, we need to consider on subject, and wherever the big is nothing but predicate, we need to consider and we need to concentrate on subject and predicate. If you are concentrated on both the things, definitely could solve any of the problems in syllogism. Syllogism is a very easy topic, and I covered all the aptitude and reasoning topics in our video in our playlist. Please go to the playlist and see all the videos, and I tagged in description section. Okay, let's start the session of the syllogism. Syllogism is nothing but a two statements. One is positive statement and nothing but a negative statement. Positive statement and negative statement. And positive statement, it covers these types of figures. For example, a all a or b, all a or b. That means we can write the diagram as a can, like this we can mention that Venn diagram all a or b, as well as some. Okay, I will just note it on the picture. I will go to the directly to the problem, you will understand. Here for example, some we can don't denote as like this, some like that we need to note it a diagram, and no I am noted as like that. Here no, I will take the problem, you will not understand here. Okay, I will directly take the problem. And syllogism contains four statement, five statement. According to the statement, we need to solve the problems. Okay, I will take the first problem, you will understand the topic here. All tables are chairs. Okay, for example, all tables are chairs. I will write the diagram. All tables, there T is the tables, all tables are, C is the chair. Okay, all tables are chairs, understand. All chairs are trees. Okay, all chairs are trees. Okay, this is the statement given in the problem. This is the conclusion. We need to consider the conclusion, and according to which conclusion is right, we need to take the conclusion. Okay, first conclusion, all chairs are tables. All chairs are tables. Here all chairs are tables. Nope. Why? Because only all tables are chairs. Here all tables are chairs, not all chairs are tables. Here first statement is wrong. Okay, all tables are chairs. Yeah, of course all tables are chairs here. Why? Because all tables are, why? Because all chairs are, anyway it is trees, nothing but a, that means all trees are, all tables are trees. Second statement is right. If you understand the problem logical, definitely you could solve any of the problem. Please understand the problem and logic. Here first statement is wrong here, and second statement is right, then only conclusion 2 follows. Because the main important is we need to write the diagram correctly. If your diagram is right, definitely you could solve any of the problem in syllogism. Okay, second problem, some birds are, okay, some birds are hens. Some already written, some birds are hens. This is the bird. Okay, this is the hen. Okay, this is the hen. And some hens are trees. Okay, some hens are trees. Some hens are trees. Okay, here the conclusion this is the statement. And what is the conclusion? Some birds are trees. Some birds are trees, isn't it? No conclusion, because yes statement is some birds are hens, not the trees. That's why first statement is wrong. Some hens are birds. Yeah, of course some hens are by, because some hens are birds here. Okay, second statement is right, because only the conclusion 2 follows here for this problem. Then second one is right. Okay, next take the third problem. All birds are tree. Okay, all birds are tree. Okay, all birds are trees. Okay, then some trees are ends. Okay, some trees are ends. Okay, now picture is okay. We need to concentrate on the statement. What is statement? Some birds are trees. Okay, some birds are trees. Yeah, of course some birds are some birds are trees. Okay, conclusion, some birds are trees is right. Okay, some hens or trees. Some hens or trees also right. Then conclusion two statements. Here both conclusions are true. Okay, next problem. Some tables are pens. Okay, some tables are pens. Some tables are, this is the pen, P I denoted as, some pens are tables, and no I am denoted as like that. Already I shown in the diagram. No I denoted as like this. No tables are blue. Okay, blue. Okay, here some tables are pens. Some tables are pens. Okay, some tables are pens. Of course, might be because here no tables are blue. Here no tables are blue here because might be chances of some tables are pens. Here, of course, some tables are pen here. The statement is right. No tables are blue. No tables are blue. Yeah, of course, no tables are blue here. No tables are. Okay, this statement is right because both the statements are true here. Okay, if the question is no pens or pens is blue, on that time what is the thing, this is also wrong because no pens are, if it is wrong means this is also to be the wrong thing. Then if it is no pens is blue, then the answer is wrong. Now it is statement is both the statements are true, then both conclusions are true. Okay, next problem. Some crows are jackals. Jackals is nothing but a type of fox related things. Okay, some crows are jackals. No fox is a crow. No fox I denoted as like this. No fox is a okay here no fox is here. Jackals not. No fox is crow. For these types of problem, what is the some jackals are fox? Some jackals are fox. Okay, nope. Here it is given no fox is a crow. Then shouldn't be the jackals also. Then this statement is wrong. Some jackals are not fox. Okay, some jackals are not fox. Yeah, may be not a fox. That's what. This is the right thing. Then the statement is because here the some crows should be not a fox here. Understand? That's what some jackals are not to be a fox. Understand? Here this is the cow. Here statement is some crows are no fox is a crow. Understand? Then the answer should be the thing is second one is the second follows. Only conclusion 2 follows is the right answer. Okay, next problem. Some A are B and B are not C. Some A are B, some A or B and B are not C. B are not C means I need to, some means I denoted like this, then you will understand correctly. C. Some A can be B. Some A can be B. Okay, sorry, some A can be, yeah, of course, some A can be B is right. All B are C. All B are C. Nope, this is the wrong answer. The statement 1 is true. If the question is some A can be C, what's this thing? Sometimes asking some A can be C. Some A can be, because some B cannot be C and A cannot be the, can be C also. On that time we can statement as right. Okay, next problem. No A is B. Okay, no A is B. I will, no A is B. No A is B. No, I can written as no as like this. No A is B. Some A, B, some B are not C. Okay, some B are not C. I will write some as B are not C. Some A and B be C. Okay, statement some A and B be C. Some A and can be C. Of course, some A can be C because here some B or not C because statement is not given. Some A can be C. This is the true one. Why? Because A can be C for this statement. Some A or not B. Okay, here actually statement is given as no A, B, C. How can be A or not B? Then the statement is wrong. Here the statement is some A can be B is the right answer for this question. Okay, next question. Okay, this is the some crows or dogs. Okay, some crows or dogs. Here the statement is, this is the very important problem. Some crows or dogs. Okay, some crows or dogs. Here one important thing is, if the both the here important note is there, please see when the subject and predicate is same in the conclusion. Here subject and predicted or the predicate are the same. On that time we need to apply this table. If the first conclusion is some and some not, directly we can follow either or not statement. Okay, if the thing is like the, okay, from A and B or some crows or dogs, few fox or crow. Few fox or crow means here few fox or cow. Here already, please use this table. You can easily get the answer. Some here, if whenever the problem conclusion is coming, subject and predicate are same. On that time, they apply these tables. Some not. First statement is some not. On that time, directly we can either answer should be either one or two. The answer you can easily follow this scenario. You can easily get the answer. Okay, I will take one more problem here. Okay, question is missing here. Fine, I will take the one example. Some cars are plastic, okay, and some plastics are metals, then some metals are pots. All the metals or pots I will take. The statement is, this is the statement, just I'm taking the problem. Conclusion should be, I will take the conclusion here. Some parts are cord. Some statement conclusion is some parts, this is the pot, some parts are cord. Okay, I will take the just example for this. Some parts are cord and then no parts is a card. Okay, here the table, the subject and predicates are same. Okay, subject predicate are same. Some no is coming, then answer should be either or no. If you follow this logic, definitely you can easily solve any of the problem by using this table. Observe, okay, and also please note, if any problem is coming, if any conclusions or subject and predicate are same, if the logic is some not, all some not, or some no, the answer should be either or either one or two follows. Okay, next problem. Okay, this is also same type of problem. Some A or B, some A or B, fine. Some B or C, some C or D, some D or E. Here also subject and predicates are same, all or not is coming, then either one or two statement is correct. Here also subject and predicates are same, some and some not are given, some and some not are not given. Answer should be either 3 or 4. Here also all and no is coming, and predict subject and, okay, this is the wrong one. Subject and predicate A and A is given. Question is wrong. Subject and predicates are same. The answer should be either one or two follows. Okay, last problem I will take the conclusion here. All right, because if you solve any of the problem, the answer should be coming as right. You need to apply the logic and with the diagram. Definitely you could solve any of the problem. If you understand the logic with the diagram, you can solve any of the problems in syllogism. Okay, last for all cats are rat. Okay, fine. All cats are rat. Because my handwriting is worst, I am using the mouse. All cats are rat. Some rats are not dog. Fine. Some rat are not dog. Here no is coming. Some rat are not dog. Some cat are dog. Okay, some cat or dog, this is a wrong one. Because how can be, it is no related with that cat and dog. Some cat are not rat. Okay, some cat are not a ear. How can it be possible? Because cat is, all cats are rat. Okay, then statement 2 also wrong. The answer should be, if any two statements are not correct, the answer should be neither one nor two follows. If any two statements are right, both conclusions are correct, here two statements are wrong, I will go to the either one or two. For these statements already say the subject and predicates are same, apply this logic for the either one or two follows. You can easily solve any of the problem. Like the logic, you can any of the problem you can solve. If you are liking this video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe button. If your thoughts in our mind, if any questions in thoughts in our mind, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.